Right, I realised the mistake that I'd made, so I had to stop the video because I tightened everything up, all the connections I've made, but I hadn't tightened the one up that the gun was nearest to, where the fill probe is. So I've done that, and look at the difference. It's going up really quickly now, so I'm pleased with that. Doesn't jump about too much. It's actually quite a neat little setup. There we are, we're at 100 bar now. Cool. Excellent. Not long now. Reminds me of an old traction engine for some reason. And that's the funnel up. All nearly there. Right, will it? Will it? Will it? Yes, how about that? Cool. Well, I'm really pleased with that. Effortless. Right, I'll leave the fan running just for a minute or so because they reckon that it gets quite hot inside where it's compressed air. So I'll say cheerio for now, and then I can switch this all off in a minute and sit back and think how lovely. See you later.